Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video we're going to be showing you another design that we love. Almost every project we do we love, but this is called Metallic Wave Effect. This is Intense Teal. It's Marmorino KS as always, and we're going to be doing Dune Metallic Silver over top of it. So we're going to show you how we do it. First we start with our tools, which we use a bamboo trowel. This makes the wave effect. And then we're going to be using a 6-inch spatula, and then also our exotic line trowel. And our material, we're going to be using Marmorino KS, and it's tinted to Intense Teal. SW6943 is the color code, and we're going to put that down in the description. All right, and then here is the Metallic Dune Silver. These are all Nova Color products that we get from Forensic Color down in Miami, and we'll also put a link for that in the description. Do me a favor before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, that way you don't miss a notification from us to see all our demos. All right, so let's get started. First, we're gonna take our Marmorino KS, and we're gonna get some. And we're just gonna put it on here. A little bit thicker of a coat. Gotta move this out of the way, that way we don't get anything on it. All right, now we got our coat on real quick. Take our bamboo trowel, and we're just gonna go in like a wave fashion all the way across. And you want to go over it a couple times. Seeing this off of here. All right, now we're just gonna let this dry up, and this is dry, so now we're gonna put our second coat on. Second coat, we're gonna go up and down with it and just fill it in and smooth it out. We're going to take a little bit more. We're just going to go up and down. All right, now we just wanted to set up a little bit, so we're gonna let it set up, and then we're gonna burnish it, just like we do our regular samples, and put a little shine on it, and then now we gotta dry it up a little bit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our water bottle, just spray it down a little bit, and we're gonna go. Now we just let it dry. As you see, when we're smoothing it out, it takes a little bit of material. This helps so it kind of fills in the rough spots and makes it really smooth. Really smooth. I'll give you a little. All right, now our sample is dry. We got our second coat on. We're gonna start putting our Dune Metallic on. So what we start with is we start with a wet sponge, as we did in our last video, and we're just gonna take it, just put it on. We wanna get a good coat on it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna, as it dries, this has a little bit of sand in the dune, so we're just gonna move it around. And as it dries, we're gonna play with it a little bit. Just put a couple coats on it. putting it on, you want to kind of go with the wave, so that way it makes it look more natural. And that's it. So check it out. It's got to dry up some, but you can get the gist of it. All right, so let's recap what we did. We used our Marmorino KS. Everything is tinted to an intense teal color, SW6943, which like I said, we're gonna put down in the description. We put our wave effect on first. It's our texture coat with our bamboo trowel. And then we put a second coat. We pulled it tight up and down. We burnished it to smooth it out. Then we put our Dune metallic silver over top of it, and then we put it on there with a sponge, and that way we can get our beautiful wave effect. It's a beautiful design. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time.